You've just landed in a brand new country. You're tired, your phone's at 4%, and all you want is to get to your hotel, grab a shower, and maybe some room service. But before you even step outside the airport, boom, you've already fallen for one of the oldest scams in the travel book. Yep. Even in 2025, when we have AI assistants, digital passports, and smart luggage, airport scams are still alive and thriving. But here's the twist. They're getting smarter too. Today, we're diving into 10 of the worst airport scams that travelers still fall for, even the savvy ones. And by the end of this video, you'll be armed with insider knowledge, traveler-tested advice, and a few laughs along the way. Welcome to Elite Trailblazer, travel tips that actually work. 1. The fake taxi helper or the friendly luggage guy. You walk out of arrivals, and before you even get your bearings, a friendly man grabs your luggage and says, "Taxi, taxi, my friend, best price." He looks official, maybe even wearing a lanyard. But here's the truth, he's not. In many airports like Manila, Nairobi, and even New York, there are unauthorized touts pretending to be airport staff. They'll whisk your bags away and guide you to a special taxi, which often charges double or triple the normal fare. Even worse, in rare cases, travelers have been led to unlicensed vehicles, risking theft or worse. Here's what to do. Always head to the official taxi desk or rideshare pickup zone inside the airport. Real airport drivers never approach passengers directly. 2. Currency exchange. Sleight of hand. Here's one that hits your wallet fast. You've got leftover euros, you need dollars, and there's that bright no-commission booth smiling at you. But guess what? The scam hides in the exchange rate itself. You might be promised a great deal, but hidden fees and terrible conversion rates can cost you up to 20% of your cash value. Some scammers even pull the quick count trick, slipping one bill short while chatting with you. Pro tip, compare rates on your phone first. Apps like XE Currency or Wise show live rates. If it looks too good to be true, it's probably airport math at work. 3. The luggage wrap scam. You've seen those plastic wrap machines that cocoon your suitcase like a burrito? While they're legitimate in many airports, scammers have set up fake wrap stations, charging triple the rate or using cheap wrap that rips before check-in. Some reports even show cases of tampered wrapping, where scammers insert or remove items while pretending to wrap your luggage. Stick to airport-operated machines only and check receipts before paying. If it's cash only with no signage, walk away. 4. The free Wi-Fi trap. You find an open Wi-Fi network named Airport Free Wi-Fi. It's convenient, and your phone connects instantly. Perfect, right? Nope, this might be a data trap. Hackers often set up evil twin networks mimicking legitimate ones. Once connected, they can access your emails, passwords, and payment details. Avoid it. Always confirm Wi-Fi names on airport signs or staff desks. Or use a VPN, virtual private network. It's like a digital invisibility cloak for your data. 5. The helpful stranger with a twist. A seemingly kind stranger offers to help you with your heavy suitcase, kiosk check-in, or even money exchange. In the confusion, they distract you just long enough to swipe a phone or wallet. This scam thrives in crowded terminals, especially near security and baggage carousels. Always keep your belongings within sight and zipped shut. If someone insists on helping, politely decline or accept assistance only from uniformed airport staff. 6. The fake security check. This one's wild, and yes, it's real. In a few airports worldwide, scammers dressed as security staff set up unofficial checkpoints before the real ones. They confiscate restricted items, like your power bank or camera, which you'll never see again. Official security is always clearly marked with government signage and uniformed officers. If someone asks you for cash fines or tries to take valuables before an official scanner, you're in the wrong line. 7. The boarding pass. Barcode trap. You snap a selfie with your boarding pass because, hey, it looks cool. But that barcode? It holds personal information, your name, flight, frequent flyer number, even booking reference. Cybercriminals can use it to access your itinerary or even cancel flights. In 2024, a Reddit user reported identity theft after posting a boarding pass online. Moral of the story, never post your boarding pass. Save the selfies for when you land. 8. The duty-free. Special price. Rip-off duty-free stores promise savings, right? Not always. In some airports, fake or unregulated duty-free shops have popped up selling overpriced or counterfeit goods. In 2025, airport authorities in Bangkok and Istanbul cracked down on shops charging 30 to 40% higher prices than standard retail. Check the official airport shopping map or compare with online prices before you buy. Duty-free doesn't mean scam-free. 9. The bag mix-up. Con, it's subtle and often not even noticed until hours later. A scammer accidentally grabs your identical black suitcase from the carousel. Later, you find out yours was swapped and valuables are gone. To avoid this, personalize your bag. Bright tag, sticker, ribbon, anything to make it unmistakably yours. Better yet, use a Bluetooth tracker like AirTag or Tile. 10. The survey reward email. Scam. After your trip, you get a nice-looking email from your airline or airport feedback team. It thanks you for your visit and promises a gift card for a quick survey. But when you click, it's a phishing link harvesting your login details. Always verify the sender's domain and never click on unverified links. Real airlines don't offer gift cards for surveys. So there you have it, 10 airport scams that are still catching travelers off guard in 2025. The world is evolving, but so are the scammers. Remember, awareness is your best carry-on. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps this channel reach more travelers like you. And as always, explore smarter, fly wiser, and stay one step ahead. I'll see you in the next one, Trailblazer.